Hello future engineers, there is another video in plane and solid analytic geometry, particularly on the applications of conics, and this conic is a parabola. So here is the problem. A parabolic arc is 10 feet high and 20 feet wide at its base. An internal brace AB is inserted such that A is on the base and B is 5 feet horizontally to the right of the axis of the parabola and perpendicular to the tangent line at that point on the arc. Letter A, find the length of AB. Find the length of the horizontal beam if it is to be installed 9 feet above the base. And C, find the equation of the parabola if the origin is chosen at a point on the base vertically below the highest point of the arc. So here is the figure as our guide in analyzing this problem. We have a parabola and 10 feet high, and the base is 20 feet wide. Therefore, if I choose the highest point as the origin for easy determination of or easy solution, then the coordinates of this right end of the parabola would be, so 20 divided by 2, so 10 feet, and it is below the origin, so negative 10. Likewise, the coordinates of this point, though not important, is negative 10 comma negative 10. So this is 5 feet. We need to solve for YB. Take note, this is the origin. So the expected equation of the parabola is x squared equals, because it is up and down, negative latus rectum times y, because the origin is at the highest point, coordinate 0, 0. So supposedly the standard form of equation of parabola up and downward with vertex at h comma k is quantity x minus h squared equals negative latus rectum times quantity y minus k, but both h and k are zeros, so that's why it reduces to x squared equals negative latus rectum y. So we need the length of the latus rectum, and we use these coordinates to solve for the length of the latus rectum. So 10 squared equals negative latus rectum times negative 10. So therefore, the length of the latus rectum is 10 feet. Having found LR equals 10, we substitute it here. The equation of the parabola, if the vertex is at the highest point, the origin, is x squared equals negative 10y. We then find the YB, which is the coordinates of point B, expected negative because it is below the origin. The coordinates of B would be 5 comma YB. So we substitute it into this equation. 5 squared equals negative 10 times YB. So YB is negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 feet. So the vertical distance between AB can now be found. It is 10 minus 2.5. So this is 7.5. We then find the x coordinate of A. So first, let's find the equation of the tangent at point B by analogous approach. So we replace x squared by xxt and y by 1/2 of y plus yt. So x sub t equals negative 10 times quantity 1/2 of quantity y plus yt. So x is just x, then xt is 5 at b, then this reduces to xt equals negative 5 times quantity y plus yt, where yt is supposedly YB. So we then substitute xt equals 5, and since YB is already found negative 2.5, that's Y sub t also. So x times 5 equals negative 5 times Y plus negative 2.5, simplifying. 5x plus y, after we cancel 5, x plus y equals 2.5. This is the equation of the tangent. So the equation of the normal would be the slope of this tangent is negative 1 over 1, so negative 1. The slope of the normal line would be positive 1, negative reciprocal. So the expected equation of the normal line is x minus y equals xt minus yt. And xt is 5 and yt is negative 2.5, so x minus y equals 7.5. So to find the x-intercept of A, which is YB is YA is negative 10, so we set y equals negative 10, so x A minus negative 10 equals 7.5. Take note that the coordinates, the y coordinate of A is negative 10, just like this. So xa is 7.5 minus 10, so that's negative 2.5. If xa is negative 2.5, the horizontal distance between A and B is 5 minus negative 2.5, so that would be 7.5. The vertical distance between A and B is also 7.5, 10 minus 2.5. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, LAB square is equal to 5 minus negative 2.5 quantity square plus negative 2.5 minus negative 10 quantity square. So this is 7.5 square times 2. So LAB is square root of, or 7.5 square root of 2, and square root of 7.5 times square root of 2 is 10.61 feet. So that's for part A. Part B, find the length of the horizontal beam if it is to be installed 9 feet above the base. So if this is the length of the beam, the coordinates of the other end here of the horizontal beam would be half of LB, then comma negative 1, because the origin is at the top. And take note that the beam, horizontal beam is 9 feet above the base, so it is 1 foot below the top point. So the coordinates here is LB over 2, comma negative 1. We substitute it into the equation. LB over 2 square equals negative 10 times negative 1. So LB over 2 quantity square equals negative 10 times negative 1. So this is LB square over 4 equals 10. So LB is square root of 40, or 2 square root of 10. And in decimal, that's 6.325 feet. Finally, for the equation of the parabola, if the origin is chosen to be vertically below the highest point on the arc here, so if this is the origin, then the highest point will have 0, comma, positive 10 as coordinates. So the expected equation is, again, quantity x minus h square equals negative latus rectum times y minus k, where if this is the origin, then the vertex would have coordinates 0, comma, positive 10. So substitute here, x minus 0 square equals negative LR times quantity 0, quantity y minus 10. So that would be x squared equals negative LR times quantity y minus 10. The coordinates of this point would now be x is 10, the origin is here, and y is 0. So substitute 0 for y and x is 10. 10 square equals negative LR times 0 minus 10. So LR is still 10 feet. Of course, it's the same as this because the parabola does not change even if the origin is shifted to another point. So the equation of the parabola would now be x squared equals negative 10 times quantity y minus 10, or x squared plus 10y minus 100 equals 0. So that's the equation of the parabola. We then check if this is correct first at the highest point 0, comma 10. So x is 0 plus 10 times 10, 100 minus 100 equals 0. B, which is also a point on the parabola, should satisfy the equation. Coordinates of B would be 5, comma, uh, 5, comma, 9. So this is 5, comma 9. So 5 squared, 25 plus 10, 5, comma, sorry, 5, comma 7.5, rather. 5, comma 7.5 because YB is 2.5 below the highest point. So this is 7.5. So 5 squared, 25 plus 10 times 7.5, 75, 100 minus 100 equals 0. The right end of the horizontal beam should also satisfy. The coordinates here would be half of LB, square root of 10, comma 9. Square root of 10, comma 9. So square root of 10 square is 10 plus 10 times 9, 90 minus 100. 10 times 9, 90. So 10 plus 90, 100 minus 100 equals 0. So that's it for this video.